Hey Sarah, did you know the correct way to pronounce our title is Realtor?
Wait, it's not Realtor or Realtor?
No, it's Realtor. And the definition of a Realtor is a person who acts as an agent for the sale and purchase of buildings and land, a real estate agent that is a member of the National Association of Realtors.
Ah, yes. Thank you, Robert, for the explanation and the definition of the right way to pronounce the word Realtor. We, as Realtors, should definitely be pronouncing it correctly and level up by using it in our marketing and advertising as well. Did you know, Robert, that there is a whole kit of branding available to all of us Realtors to use?
A whole kit? Where can I find this great resource?
There is a link on the Business and Reports page and in our tools page of our website, or just scan this QR code and it will immediately link you to start using the R in all your marketing and advertising today. It is who we are, and we are Realtors.
And that wraps up this segment of Did You Know? Scan the QR code on the screen for more information along with some helpful links.
And now you know. See you next time. Stay up to date on the real estate market in Reno, Sparks, and Fernley. Be sure to like our video and subscribe so you never miss an update. Just click here.